Welcome to my apartment. It's been a nice day here today, and I was thinking, because I've been living here in this apartment for about a year, and I think it would be nice to actually show a little bit around how does apartment in China usually look like, and especially if it's for one person single apartment. Before that, let's try to drink. I'm a little thirsty. Let me try to take you to my sanctuary. So, this is where I usually spend most of my time in the morning. As you can see, this is all where my makeup is located. This is where I spend my me time to actually do my own thing. I would say this is my sanctuary because it gives the most happiness feeling. And from this way, you can directly see this is where I usually sleep. Apart from that, apartment in China usually cost varies differently depending where you live. In a small city like Incheon, like this apartment alone costs about $200 a month. And I think it would be important for you to understand, apartment in China requires you to register at the police station, and especially if you are a foreigner living in China. Also, at the same time, the expenses of electricity like that, it wouldn't be too costly. For me, myself, I spent around, I think, less than $20 for 2 months, 3 months, depending on how much I use my electricity, as well as the gas. Usually I pay around $3 to $5 a month, which is very, very affordable. By the way, I forgot. Let me show you where I usually do my skincare routine. Come along. Okay, so this is probably a little bit usual, typical type of view of a shower room in China, where you have one particular place of showering and then toilet just right next to it. For a lot of people, it's quite difficult to understand how does this thing work. But for Asian myself, Asian as myself, it's very common and it's very efficient, so you don't have to spend so much time to actually take shower. This is where I usually take shower, everything here, toilet, and then my another sanctuary when I do my skincare. So this is the cupboard where I store my all of my clothes here and there. It's not a lot of clothes because as a traveler myself, I don't tend to accumulate things because as I know I'll be leaving this country anyway. But other than that, I think it's important when you live in a certain different country to make yourself feel at home. And to me, it took me about 3 to 5 months to get used to living here by myself and feeling like this strange place to be like my second home. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. A short tour in my apartment, but I hope that you find this video to be helpful and enjoyable. If you have any questions about anything, leave any comment down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to this video. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye!